How could Tehran's closure of Hormuz impact global oil supplies in 2026? This narrow strait is a global oil choke point, and its closure could trigger a worldwide energy crisis you need to understand. The Strait of Hormuz is one of the most critical maritime choke points globally. About 20 million barrels of oil pass through here every day, nearly 20% of global oil exports. Tehran's closure would immediately disrupt supply chains, sending shockwaves through energy markets and impacting everything from gas prices to manufacturing costs worldwide. If Hormuz closes, oil prices would likely skyrocket due to scarcity and panic buying. Higher fuel costs ripple through transportation, manufacturing, and agriculture, driving inflation. Countries dependent on oil imports could face severe economic slowdowns, compounding geopolitical tensions and market instability in 2026. While some pipelines bypass Hormuz, their combined capacity is far less than the strait's throughput. These alternatives cannot handle the full volume quickly, causing supply bottlenecks and forcing countries to scramble for new sources or increase production elsewhere, which takes time and investment. Tehran's blockade would heighten tensions between Iran and Western powers, possibly provoking military responses or sanctions. This escalation would destabilize the Middle East further, disrupt oil markets longer term, and force nations to rethink energy security and alliances in 2026 and beyond. Tehran's closure of the Strait of Hormuz could unleash a global oil crisis with soaring prices, economic turmoil, and geopolitical chaos. Understanding these risks helps you grasp why this tiny waterway matters so much to your energy bills and world stability. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.